Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing XDC Network, reshaping global trade. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe to the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, you can also check out the official Crypto Growth partners. For the exchange, we've got MEXC, and for the wallet, we've got Decent. Let me show you. You can follow the link in the description box below for discounts and benefits. Anyways, let's get straight to the point and see what's happening with XDC in real time, what the official handles are saying, what the community is up to. So look at this. This is Olivia Smith over here, Japan's first USDC license. Look at this. SBIVC official, SBIVC trade. As you know that XDC has been working in Japan. It has been collaborating. SBI Japan. If you remember the video, we had already when this news first came up, we covered it as well, so you can check that video out as well. The Japanese one. Regulated USDC adoption is growing, and with it, the demand for fast, low-cost networks like XDC. The future of seamless cross-chain payments is here. So let us look at this news, because it is relevant to XDC, because XDC is trying to function in Japan. Let me translate it to English. Notice, first in Japan, notification of completion of registration as an electronic payment instrument business operator for handling stablecoins. By the way, this is latest, 3rd March. SBIVC trade, Circle. Circle is making a really huge name for itself. Thank you for using our services. We are a consolidated subsidiary of SBI Holdings, which operates a cryptocurrency exchange business. We are pleased to announce that on Tuesday, March 4th, 2025, we completed registration as an electronic payment instruments business operator, which will enable us to handle the stablecoin USDC, the first in Japan. As of June 1, 2023, the system for electronic payment instruments business and electronic payment handling business has changed, and in order to conduct the distribution of electronic payment instruments linked to the value of legal tender in Japan, so-called stablecoins, as a business, registration under the Fund Settlement Act and Banking Act is required. You can check this out. This is really great. With the completion of our registration as an electronic payment instrument business operator, we plan to release a beta version of the USDC, a US dollar linked stablecoin issued by Circle to a limited number of users after our system maintenance. So basically, they are trying to test it, and on March 12, 2025, and aim to start handling USDC on a full scale as soon as possible. You know, the collaboration or the connection that Circle has with, one of the projects is indeed XDC Network, and a lot of different projects that we talk about, they are trying to collaborate or at least have connections, some sort of connections, direct or indirect, with Circle. And this news is, in my opinion, really great for the industry as a whole, because we can see now these banks, these financial institutions, they are now getting interested in digital assets and these different projects, folks. This is really good for XDC and the likes. Oh my god, wow, XDC is going to be goated easy. Okay, so this is your bro Quincy over here. Amazing that we now have a USDC bridge on chain. This is going to allow for so much more stable coin liquidity in the XDC ecosystem. Like I told you guys, XDC ecosystem and the other projects are going to be benefiting from news like these, folks. These are always appreciated and welcome, news like this. Okay, accumulating XDC at these discounted prices. Folks, you saw the manipulation that happened a few days ago. I mean, it was blatant. We covered it in another video as well. But we've seen, let me show you post over here as well by Jerry in a moment. We're going to be seeing the ongoing FUD. Despite that, aside from market manipulation, we had the FUD, external FUD from Jerry as well. Although I agree with certain points of his, but with certain points it is just criticism for the sake of criticism, because I think he supports Internet Computer. He's a maxi of Internet Computer ICP. He mostly bashes a lot of different projects, be it proof of work or others. I saw a post of his, video of his bashing Caspa as well, that all proof of works are bad, and criticism for the sake of criticism, that is. So I saw the entire video. There were some good points as well in the midst of it. But let me just open this, play this up for you folks, just a moment.
How to experience 2020 in a coin market cap. This is in the top 100.
Yeah, first of all, I think he talks about the circulating supply, that a lot of tokens are not still in circulation and they're going to be dumping it all on the market. So XDC Network and these other projects are not your conventional investments, because they are basically, if they have certain tokens allocated, they might be using it when the need arises, maybe the institutional demands or something in trade finance. So then they can be utilized as per the demand, folks. It is not the conventional trading vehicle or investment vehicle at all, folks. A traditional project, it works like a business, basically trying to provide real world use case, and slowly and gradually see how everything goes, how it can be utilized. It has collaborations with, as you know, Securitize, that has collaborations with BlackRock. So huge financial institutions are involved. Okay. And XDC Network, he says that it is a pump and dump sort of. It went up and now it is down. Not more than one project can go up and test its all-time highs again. Any project that is up to no good has only one bull run in it. But guys, we can see that XDC Network has tested. It has tested the course of time, and it is still here. So they've been building, basically, forging partnerships, developing constantly. So yeah, he also says that it doesn't have much exchanges. It is not listed on much exchanges. So being listed on exchanges is not the only criteria. I think a community member once said, I think the team member once said, that they are not focusing on listing on exchanges to drive the price up or drive value up. They want to rely on the utility and what XDC can bring to the world of finance, to global trade, to tokenization. As we can see that he's a ICP maxi, basically constantly bashing all other projects, be it Caspa or any other project, folks. So yeah, one thing I agree with him in the end, he says that the team should be much more active. I think they had posted 10 days ago, and a lot of people say that XDC Network, it is trying to collaborate with these other financial institutions, forging partnerships behind the scenes. It is not. They do not have to be as active as other projects that are basically focused on hype, like memes and building a community. So the Quan Network team also says that, yeah, this is why they are not as much active. So to each their own. Like I've said before, that any project can succeed or fail, even the good ones. But bashing all of them, Caspa, XDC Network, be it the utility ones or be it proof of work ones, they can succeed or they can fail. Any project can, to be honest. Out of all of these projects in the Quan market cap, I mean, even a lot of people say that even BTC can go to zero at this point, although it has made such a huge name for itself. So let's see. A lot of people say that this industry is going to be falling down. We never know. Let's see. We just hope that something good happens in this new era, the utility phase. Let's hope that utility brings us, legitimizes this industry, brings credibility to it. So this is what we want, basically, folks. Anyways, what else do we have? Anything interesting from the community members? There were a few posts out there. Yeah, look at this graphic over here. The real Ethereum killer, XVOSHI, ISO 20022 on sale. Yeah, look at XDC Network over here. Xinfin delegated POS. World Trade, institutional value, and contract network, plus digitalization of trade finance through NFT tokenization. This is what these utility projects want to do. Look at this, TradeFinex, collaborating with the likes of JP Morgan, Chase and Company, Circle. So these are all a huge connection over here, folks. Quan Network, Overledger, CBDCs, Stellar, Ripple. These utility projects they can succeed or fail, folks, but in comparison to the memes and other projects, I think that I would really give it a shot, give it a try, that maybe they are here to change the game and not just go upon speculation and purely hype. SBI VC Trade enhancing services through collaboration with issuers such as XDC, OAS, HBAR, and ZPG. Okay. SBI, VC Trade, and Bitcoin, which operate crypto asset exchanges, respond to various customer needs by leveraging their respective characteristics. My Crypto Super Threat 2025. Look at this. Regardless of the current, let me open this up. Yeah, Zach's Friel over here says that regardless of the current price of XDC, it is crucial to zoom out and stay focused on the bigger picture. Not only is the whole market down, we are also early adopters in a financial revolution. So this is what we're talking about. This is not your conventional or orthodox play. It is here to change the game, basically. Will it do it? We never know. It can succeed, it can fail, that's for sure. But it wants to provide real world use case, folks. It wants to provide real world utility and bring credibility to this space, that's for sure. This is why we can call it a financial revolution, folks. This was always meant to be a long-term play. XDC is positioned to become a major backbone of global trade and institutional finance. XDC is bringing efficiency, security, and interoperability to a sector long overdue for transformation. Yeah, I agree with this, folks. The legacy systems, the traditional systems, they have become outdated, folks. They are obsolete, they are outdated. And when it comes to global trade finance, the paperwork that goes, it is not energy efficient, and a lot of hassle, no transparency, and no accountability even, folks. Blockchain, as you know, that it is immutable. People can see the activities on chain, so it can really benefit the global trade and tokenization sector. That's for sure, if it achieves what it wants to achieve. Will it? We do not know, but it certainly has the potential. I don't know about you, but I am with XDC for the long run. I will never sell all of my XDC 2030 and beyond. This is what I'm talking about, folks. These are long-term plays. Even good investments takes decades, even more decades, folks. 2 decades, 2.5 decades. If you look at the investments that our grandfather made or our elders made, you know that they saw investment in terms of years and not just minutes, like this industry has come to be honest. So we should look at the bigger picture. This seems like a really interesting idea for the title as well, folks. So what do you guys think about XDC Network and this bigger picture? Are you a believer or not? Do you think it will succeed or fail? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.